now is I'm trying to scale into as many niches as possible, as quickly as possible. So one of my affiliate managers, he basically gave me like 100 different niches, right? So let me show you the niches that he actually gave me. What we have here is in the home services niche, we have all of these different groups, right? And all the like decks, porches, decorators, demolitions, doors, drywall, dumpster rental, electrical, et cetera, right? And I want to enter all of these niches as quickly as possible, and as efficiently as possible, simply because, you know, running some of these higher competition niches, like let's say plumbing, pest control, HVAC, they're very extremely competitive, right? But then if you step out of those and you go into niches such as home appraisers or junk removal or insulation or like some of these very niche topics like pressure cleaning, or even like sunrooms. I mean, sunrooms, I guess, could be associated with roofing as well. It's just like a subcategory of roofing. But then you have welders as well. All of these still pay if you can get yourself a buyer, right? So my affiliate network said like, hey, if you can run us this kind of traffic, we'll pay you. We'll pay you anywhere from like $10 to $20 to $30 a phone call, right? And these niches, not the entire planet is not jumping into them. So I thought, okay, let's do it. But how do I do it? As quickly as possible, because generating all of these landing pages is crazy. And to explain to you why, each single group here has certain subcategories as well. So additions and remodeling, that would be the remodeling niche, right? The basement contractors, general contractors, remodeling, etc. Then as well, we have appliances. So appliances is even more extensive than this, but this is what they provided for me. Appliances would have basically refrigerators, washers, et cetera, et cetera. But that's the gist of it. And then architects as well. So within architects, probably there's sub niches, subcategories as well. Or for example, the biggest one I saw here that he gave me was landscaping. So within landscaping, look at all these niches that have so much potential traffic. So during the winter time, I was getting a lot of queries coming in for snow removal, primarily within rooftop snow removal, not necessarily lawn snow removal, but these are calls that pay. Like someone's paying for these calls, right? And if you can get these calls, like even if you get maybe one call a week from any one of these add up because you're multiplying it by so many niches, right?